Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to replace a VTC actuator on a Honda CR-V. First, gather all your tools like a torque wrench, sockets, and a new VTC actuator with its gasket. Safety is key, so always disconnect the battery before you begin any work. This ensures no accidental electrical issues occur during the repair process. Now, let's get to removing the old actuator. Begin by draining all the engine oil. This is a crucial step. Next, you'll need to carefully remove the valve cover to expose the VTC actuator. Once that's off, gently detach the timing chain tensioner and its guide, paying close attention to their positions for reinstallation. With the old actuator out, it's time to install the new one. Carefully align the new VTC actuator with the engine's timing marks. Precision here is important. Then, securely reinstall the timing chain tensioner and its guide. Finally, reattach the valve cover, making sure to use a brand new gasket for a proper seal. You're almost done. Refill your engine with the specified type and amount of oil. Reconnect the battery, and if necessary, clear any diagnostic trouble codes that may have appeared. Your Honda CR-V should now be running smoothly with its new VTC actuator. Also, for easy meal prep, check out the leak-proof containers linked in the description, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.